Hey y'all, it's Io here from Nook, and I've had a couple of people ask how to separate PDFs in order to send students the exact level activity that they need in order to work independently. And I wanted to show you exactly what that would look like with one of the fast food menu math activities. You can see here, I've opened up the fast food menu math activity in a Google Chrome window. The Google Chrome window allows me to go ahead and separate the PDF without having to worry about what level of Adobe I have. So the entire printable is here, but the student that I'm thinking about is only able to work with whole dollar amounts. So I want to send them this page of the activity, and that's page 4. So when I hit Control P or go ahead to print, what I'm going to see is that I have an option of either printing to my printer or save as PDF. I'm going to click Save as PDF, and then I'm going to take the custom pages and just use the page that I wanted, and that was page 4. So here I'm going to type page 4, and you're going to see the other pages disappear, and I just have page 4. Now I can type anything here. Maybe I want page 4 and page 6. And when I do that, I can see I've got 2 pages here. Maybe I decide that I want to do a span and I want to do pages 4 through 5 and also page 7. You can see I have those 2 menus and the activity. So I have those 3 pages. And then I just hit save. It's going to give, this is just the level 1 activity so that I can remember that for later, and hit save. Now I can send the student just that part of the document. Now, I will caution y'all, just for copyright purposes, when you divide up this activity, I want you to be very aware of where you share it and how you post it so that you don't violate the terms of use, which is listed on the second page of the activity. So please take a look at that before you divide up the activity and send it or post it. All right, y'all, this was Io here with Nook, just giving you a quick tutorial about how to use print to PDF with a Google Chrome window so that you can separate your activities to meet the needs of your students. Stay strong and teach on, y'all.